Hello everyone, welcome back. This is our day 4 where we are going to start the Linux in the 2.5 month of journey of batch 35. I think you all are batch 35 students, correct? Yes,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay. So if you're a batch 35 student, go to the CloudDevOpsHub.com, click on the current batch, and you will able to see the syllabus from this place. Okay. And what exactly the agenda in the day 4? In the day 4, we have to start the topic Linux. Don't waste the time, directly come into the Linux PPT, okay? And we are going to learn the Linux plus Linux administration activities for the DevOps engineer, okay? In the upcoming 1 week, okay? This is a complete 1 week plan. Primarily, we will do the activity into the Google Cloud. So I want you to be ready in the next class with your credit card, or I will give the pre-request thing, okay? Your genuine one Gmail ID will be required and one credit card or debit card. 1 rupee will be get charged, and for the next 3 months your Google Cloud account will be ready, so that from tomorrow onwards you will able to work into the Google Cloud and you will start exploring the Google Cloud for the next 1 week. Okay, and over that in the Google Cloud we will learn the Linux. Make sense? You understood the agenda?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, cool. I will send a request into the WhatsApp group. What will be the pre-request? Because we have already created a separate WhatsApp group for the students. Okay, where exactly it is? This is the batch 35. Okay. Yep. Okay. And this is the batch 35 group where people are discussing, starting discussions happen. Okay. So if you are registered members, if you are not into this group, my request, please message me. Okay, that sir, I'm a registered student, I want to be a part of this group, I will add you. I am 100% sure everyone is added, but there may be chances 1 or 2% may be missed. So you have to tell to me that I will get you added. Okay, and another part is some student was don't have the access. Okay, so let me tell you guys, go into this link. Okay, go to the Cloud DevOps website, click on this pop-up, enroll now, or if you're not getting this pop-up, click on this join batch 35. Okay, and you will get some option, buy now option. Either you can buy into the 0 rupees, please buy it so that you will able to get, we will get the details and I can help you out with the access. Okay, please click on this 0 rupees. Everyone who is sitting here who don't have the access, please click here right away so that you will get the access of the LMS system, and you are directly asking the access with me. That is not possible. Please click here, then only I can able to give the access to you. Agree? Because at least I need your email ID, phone number. Yes or no? Every first. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
Vikas.
Okay, please do it. Okay, because yesterday night I was giving the access and I observe around 5 to 7 students haven't clicked here. Okay, I don't have the email ID. If you will click here, I will get your email ID and I will able to give the access to you. Okay, cool. Please. Okay, cool. And let's come here. Let's start the Linux. What all things we are going to learn in this 2.5 in this 1 week journey. Okay, I will explain you what exactly the operating system, what exactly the Linux is, why Linux is very popular, open source, Git. We will start discussing about the Linux, Windows, Linux, Unix file structure, multiple possible ways how to create it, Linux machine, Unix file structure, commands. We will around in the different categories, 15 or 20 commands, like administration command, user access management command, monitoring commands, networking commands. I'm going to teach to you in the this 1 week of duration. Okay, and we will play with the multiple Linux command. And trust me, some student has learned the things and they have explored more. Can you guess it? I teach 100 commands and some student reached to how many commands? Can you guess it?
600.
Who is that person? I forgot the name, but yes, see, this is our Facebook group. Okay, in the Facebook group, you can see that so many students are encouraged and doing the practical. 9 hours ago, Deepak is did my God, for means 4 to 8 practicals he did. Okay, Komal has did so many practicals. Okay, and 6 to 10 practical he did. Komal has did again. Okay, Hari has did practical 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I want you to do the practicals and post it so that at least other will get motivated. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Agree.
Right? And your things will be get notified. Okay, and I will show you. It's difficult to search it. Okay, next time I will bookmark that. Yeah, here it is. Okay, this person, the name is Mahar. Okay, this much command he executed. No, yeah, not this one, not this one, not this one. Deepak. Yeah, Deepak. Okay. You can able to see that he run all the commands. He run the history command. Means you can understand that if this person can do it, you can also do it. Correct?
Yes.
Before doing anything, I'm motivating you, do that. Okay. Because if one person, one fresher can do it, you can also do it. Because if fresher can get the 15 LPA package, definitely experienced person will able to get it 15 LPA. Correct? Yes, no.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
at the end, don't be jealous that, sir, fresher get 15 LPA, 20 LPA, and I'm 5-year experienced person. I'm not getting 20 LPA because my delivery is same for you. How much you are observing, that depends on you. Correct?
Correct.
I'm telling in the very starting only this part. Okay. How much you will observe, that much you will able to get it. Okay. So yes, if one person can able to run the 500 commands, you can also run it. Okay. Cool. So I'm coming here. So we will run the commands primarily because Linux is a commands. We have to understand everything with the help of commands. Okay. And after 1 week, we will go into the shell scripting part as well, so that Linux experience will be used into this shell scripting class. Okay. Because if you don't know the Linux commands, you will not able to work in the shell scripting class. So at the end, we will discuss this shell scripting. Okay. Before going into anything, I want to answer from you guys. What is operating system? Can you give me the answer? What is operating system? OS.
Which interacts between the hardware and the software to run the application smoothly.
Hardware and application can be interact with the help of operating system. Let me show you. Okay. This is my hardware. CPU, memory, disk. These are my hardwares. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, no. These are
Yes.
my hardware, right? These are my resources. These resources are getting consumed by this application, Zoom, Chrome, and so many different applications. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And how these resources are getting consumed by the application with the help of operating system. So I would like to say operating system is a middle software or system software who will manage the computer hardware, software resources, and providing the services to the computer programs. That is called operating system. This is very important software which runs in every hardware. It can be mobile phone, it can be laptop, it can be any of the device where the operating system will be available for you. Okay. And there are so many varieties of operating systems are available into the market. Okay. Now let's come to the topic Linux. What is Linux? Give me the answer first. Yep.
Linux is an open source kernel.
Correct. Very good. You came in my yesterday's class.
A day before yesterday, you told. Yes.
Good. Okay. Linux is a kernel. Okay, guys, don't say directly that Linux is the operating system. If interviewer will not happy with this point, he may reject you. Okay. So Linux can be said as the operating system, but primarily it's a kernel. Okay. Don't directly say that it's the operating system. It's a kernel. Okay. Point to be remembered here. Okay. Linux is an open source community developed kernel for computers, servers, mainframe, and hardware devices. Now, important point here came open source. What do you mean by open source?
License is not needed.
Correct. License is not required, and the code itself is available into the public, into the GitHub. Code itself is publicly available means you can go to the GitHub. Can you guess it how many operating systems, open source operating systems are available into the market or into this place in this repo? Number. I need a number from you guys. 10, 15, 20, 50. Guys, guess it. Wrong guess is also acceptable here.
Hundreds of.
Hundreds are there.
Hundreds of awesome operating systems are available here. If you, there may be chances, I also don't know the names, but yeah, these are the operating systems available into the market. Okay, this many which are free of cost available. Okay, out of that, in the popular category, Linux is available, and they are not mentioning operating system, they are mentioning it's a kernel. Point to be proved. Agree?
Agree.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
agree.
So Linux is a kernel. Okay. What is kernel? I will tell you. Okay. But point to be remember that it's a kernel. Okay. Cool. And there are so many other. Chalo, let's come to the Linux kernel. Okay. I'm going here. And this is the repo where my Linux code is available. Okay. Cool. Okay. Now I'm coming to my second point. It's a community develop. When the second keyword came, community development. This has been started initially by 1%, 2%, but it is a community maintained operating system. Now, can you guess it? How many community members are using this, or how many community members has been developed this?
14.
14, 14. Number.
600.
The number is around 15,000 members.
Thousands of
15,000 contributors has written the code of Linux. The Linux has been written 98.4% in the C language. Okay, cool. Now, my simple requirement, if I want to download this code in my local machine, how to download it?
Just copy the clone to the gate.
I can click on this. I can click on this and multiple options are coming. I can copy this option. I can open in the GitHub base and I can download as a zip file. Guys, how many people are agree with this option, download zip? Can I click on this and download the code?
No.
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 That is not the
Yeah.
best way. We can do that, but that is not the
Yeah,
best
it's
way.
not the best way.
Good, because you attended the last sessions, correct?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Don't use this approach. If you will use this approach, you will be a non-technical person. Okay. So what is the technical way? Because you want to call yourself as a DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, IT engineer, correct? So you have to use the better approach. And I'm going to tell you the best approach. We can copy the link. Okay. We have to download. I will help you out how to download the software, Git. Okay. No need to worry at this point because Git we will learn in a separate sessions. Okay. Git will come into the picture. No need to worry, but let me open it in front of you. I'm just opening here and this is the very first sessions for batch 35. So let me create a batch 35 folder here. New folder, batch 35. Okay. BATCH-35. Okay. And I'm going into this folder. This is empty folder. Now I am opening a git bash here. As soon as I will open this, one black terminal will be open in my machine. Okay. This is a black terminal. Okay. And in this terminal, I will run the command git clone. Okay. git git clone. And I will paste the URL which I have copied. From where I have copied? I copied from this location code and I copied this. And as soon as I will press enter, you will able to see that this is the empty folder, correct?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
As soon as I press enter, the code is cloning and getting downloaded into my machine. Yes, code is getting downloaded into my machine. Cool. This is the approach which engineer or IT engineer follows or DevOps engineer follows. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Okay. And it will take based on the size, it will download it and it will be available for you. So let me close it because I don't want to download it. Okay. And let's come to the point. Okay. Linux is an open source community developed software. You know how to download it. After download, what you will do? What is the next option?
Install.
Open the code in.
We should update the.
Let's assume you downloaded this code. What is your next plan? Why you are downloading? What we can do with this code?
We have to import.
We do run the Linux.
We have to import to our local code base, like
Okay.
any IDE.
Correct. After importing into the IDE, then
When we can start.
let's assume, guys, this has been downloaded. I can right click and I can open with my Visual Studio Code. Correct? The code will be open. Then what is the next step? I'm calling myself as a developer at this point. Okay. I'm calling myself as a developer. I will open the code. Then what is next?
You can make changes to the code.
I can make the changes into the code. I can create my customized operating system. I can create my customized kernel as per the requirement. And if want, I can sell it also if I have a knowledge. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Or
Yes,
I can develop some new feature also. Okay. And I can give it back to the people again to this Linux and I can become a contributor for the Linux as well. Agree?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or if you feel that you are a good coder, you know the C language, you can download this code, change it and sell it into the market. That is also possible. Okay. Cool. Now come to the point. Okay. What is Linux? Linux is open source, community developed kernel for computers, servers, mainframe, mobile devices.
Sir?
Karthikeyan?
So I have a doubt. Why they use C language instead of Python? Python is more complicated. Python is more easy and has more features than C. But why?
Okay, chalo. Guys, can we discuss this point or can we park this for 10 minutes? Okay, after 10 minutes, I will come up with this question. Okay, because
Okay,
I
sir.
have to give the
That will
5-minute
be
answer.
better.
Okay, because I need 5 minutes to give that answer, and I need 10 minutes to explain little bit in the today's session. Okay, after 9:30 we will discuss that part. Okay, sure. Now, the design of Linux is very similar to Unix. Again, new word came to the picture. Okay, park it for tomorrow class. Okay, I don't want to go into the Unix at this point. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Linux has been used and most widely operating system or kernel at this point. Now, second part is why Linux become very popular. The very first point is it is completely free of cost. You can download and you can use in your server, in your personal or any of the environment. Very first point. Second thing is open source. You can customize as per your requirement as well. Third point, Linux is very popular because it is very, very secure as compared to another operating systems. Can anyone give me the example why why we will call as a secure?
Because Linux does not support .exe files.
Good. Anyone else? Anyone want to say any other point? This is my answer only, which I have given over the weekend. Anything
Because
else?
because it's using kernel.
Okay, chalo, acceptable. Okay, okay, acceptable point. Okay, yeah, okay. And why I'm calling as a stable and performance-wise is very good. What is the reason? Yep, yep. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Answer.
Because it consumes less memory when compared to other operating systems.
Good. Okay, let me prove that. Okay, I'm using my Windows machine, and in this Windows machine, 13 GB RAM or 14 GB RAM is getting used at this point. Are you agree?
Yes.
14 GB RAM is getting used at this point. Out of 14 GB, let's understand this is memory. Okay, 3 GB is consuming by Chrome and 2 GB is consuming by my desktop application. Means 5 GB or overall 5 GB is getting used, 6 GB is getting used by this three application. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
6 GB is my softwares are getting used, but my overall consumption is 14 GB. Means 8 GB somewhere is missing. Who is eating my 8 GB RAM?
OS.
Operating system.
OS and system application.
Some system application and operating system. Okay, means we can say that Windows required 8 GB extra just for the operating system apart from application. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, Vikas.
Right? And this problem will not happen into the Linux. If you will use the 1 GB of RAM, there may be chances full 1 GB or 900 or 800 MB can be used by the applications. In the Linux, the performance wise very good and stability wise very good because it doesn't consume as much as the resources. Okay, so in this 23 GB, okay, let's take one more example. This is 23 GB RAM and what we can say 12 logical processor in my one Windows operating system, correct? And I'm able to use one machine at this point, right? With
Yes,
this
sure.
resources, you know, if I will use this much resources, I can use 10 to 20 Linux machine with this resources in the Linux. Got it? I can create 10 to 20 different application servers. I can run it with this much resources only. And forget about these GPUs. Only I'm talking about CPU memory. Agree?
Yes.
I have one question here, Vikas.
Go ahead, Baswa.
Like even we are having Unix operating systems and something
Linux.
is good.
Talk is Linux at this point. Okay.
Linux.
Hmm.
And if something is good in the market, the outdated version will get destroyed and it is not used by any other users. But still, why the existence of Windows? Still, why we are using?
Windows is user friendly. If you know English, you can use it. First preference is always go to the simplest thing. Correct?
Okay.
Right? Everyone need a GUI. Right?
Because
Yes or no?
we don't have that that thing in Unix.
Okay, no, that thing is available. Let us assume I will teach this thing directly from the Linux environment. You will come to me. You will say very first that what is this person is doing. Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely right.
We will not able to understand his machine only. Correct? Agree?
Yes, yes. But that
Agree.
even
That's why agree or not agree?
I am agree.
Yeah.
But still, why Unix people they are doing competition with Windows, but why they have not understood?
See, competition is a different way. Okay, competition is a different way. But see, I'm talking about why this Linux is popular. If you don't know, 70 or 90% servers are into the Linux. We are the end users who need a UI because we want to watch a movies, we want to watch all these things into the UI. That's why we are using the Windows. We are not the servers, right? Our requirement is different. Everyone's using a laptop requirement is different, correct? We want to use as much as possible softwares which has been developed into the Windows which are not available in Linux, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? But when we are coming into the server side, okay, when we want to create a web application database, that softwares are available into the Linux and we can, and that are performing very, very well into the Linux. That's why servers are getting created into the Linux, but end user is using the Windows only because requirement is different. Yes or no?
Yes.
Make sense? Because we feel that we can purchase a laptop once in 4, 5 years or 10 years, right? Agree? But
Yeah.
this much resource on a renting purpose, we will not purchase it. A 32 GB RAM, we will not purchase on a renting basis, right? Yes or no? Feeling? Agree?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, there are reasons is different. Okay, because servers are very constant kind of thing. We have to use the static similar kind of requirement into the servers, right? If you are using one particular application, there may be chances we will use that particular application for the couple of years. Agree? Very static type of requirement we will use into the server. We created a website or web server. We will use the similar concept for the next 5 years. I changed my website in 3, 4 years back. One earlier, now we come up again with a different concept. There may be chances after 2, 3 years, I will change my website completely or complete LMS system, right? Because I want to give it to the give the things to the student in a better way. So it happens. Okay, cool. Now comparing between Windows and Linux, there may be chances that Windows is a very simple operating system. It can be used by any person who knows or who can able to understand, read or write English. He can able to do it. It doesn't require any special training. That's why adoption of adoption of Windows is the first choice by everyone. Agree? My kid also, if I
Yes.
will give the option, he will choose the Windows only because he will able to see the mouse and he will able to roam here and there. He will able to open the pen and he will able to play there. Correct?
Yes.
Agree?
Yep.
So that's the choice. That's why, Baswa, you get the answer?
Yes, because I got it.
Okay, yeah. And guys, do you know to run a Windows operating system also, we need one operating system first, then only we can install the Windows operating system. Are you aware about that?
Yes.
What is the name?
DOS.
Correct. DOS. Okay.
DOS.
When we purchase a laptop without Windows operating system also, we get a DIX operating system. In the DIX operating system also, we can run some command and after that we can install the Windows operating system. We have to purchase and we can use it. Okay, cool. Apart from the another side, Linux is the most popular version of Unix. Okay, version of Unix means Linux and Unix two are the different things. Okay, in the today's part, I want to talk for the Linux only, and in the tomorrow class, we will go into the Unix part. Okay, the similarity of Linux and Unix are very similar, but in short, I would like to say that first Unix came from the idea of Unix, the Linux has been developed. Unix is a licensed version. Unix is a licensed version. Linux is open source, freely available into the market. That's why Linux become more popular as compared to Unix. Cool.
Yes.
Okay, and in the tomorrow class we will go and we will compare it. We will create with multiple ways. The small requirement from tomorrow class is we want to create a Google Cloud account. I will send a pre-request message into the WhatsApp group. Okay, please be available with this so that tomorrow onwards we will able to create the Google Cloud account and you can able to do the practicals with me. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Vikas.
Okay, cool. Okay, and we will see so many different ways in the AWS. After 1 week, we will create a AWS account. If you want to create a Azure account, next week you can create the Azure account also. Okay, or after 1 month, after 2 months, if you want to create a Azure account, you can create the Azure account and you can compare the services indirectly. Everything is very similar. You just have to compare the different cloud providers. It's completely your choice. I will not force you to create a Azure account. It's completely your choice. If you want to create it parallelly, or you can create after 1 month, 2 months, it's completely depends on you. We will install one more software, very lightweight software in your local machine that is called Mobile Steam, and only 2, 3 softwares we will install into the local machine. That's it, nothing else. Okay, and wraps everything into the cloud. Cool.
Yes. Yes.
That's it from my side, nothing else for today. And guys, I want to understand how is the class able to understand?
Yes, sir.
It was.
I don't like yes, everyone. At least speak yeah, one line, two line, please. If not good, speak up in front of everyone. Switch on the camera and speak, sir. Because sir, you are very fast, you are very slow. I want this changes from your side. Please let me know.
So
Yes,
if
we will be able to understand. Since it's an interactive session, we will be able to understand.
You are able to understand. Good. Thank you. Others, at least one line, yeah, please.
because sir, strong points are like very good delivery, very good engagement model, and the way you are discussing the interview questions, it's really good. Like on the fly, on the runtime, you are asking questions.
Correct.
Which is
Because
very
I want to get you prepare in any of the situation, right? Because let's assume you are sitting in front of the client and client has the intention that he want to give the offer out of 5%. Correct? And guys, trust me, I get lot of offers like this because I was sitting, I was giving the into the conference. Okay. I just delivered the things. Okay. And I get an offer from the client. Multiple times it happens. 20 people are sitting. I was the speaker. I'm not the primary speaker, but I'm the secondary speaker. Primary speaker did hundreds of practice and all these things. I was the secondary speaker. I just put my opinions in a better way. Okay. And client has given the offer to me. It happens 4-5 times in my entire 5-6 years of career. Last 5-6 years.
okay.
So
Sir, one area of improvement, if you allow me to suggest,
please, yes, go ahead.
everything is good with respect to content delivery. Fantastic. Only one thing is when you are sharing the recorded sessions, right? Your Zoom window, which has the panel, right?
I
So
agree. Let's fix it right away. Is this panel gone out now? Is this panel gone out?
Come again because I did.
Didn't understand.
He was telling that photographs are coming when we will share the recording. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Right. This is the concern. Correct. See, today only it will get fixed. Okay. I have to do one setting into the environment, into my Zoom application, and we can fix it. I got this point. Yep.
I mean, not only the photograph, like because of the panel entire link, right? So today when you clicked on that external IP, right, while showing us, so that won't be visible in the recording most probably.
I agree. I see in the live classes it is perfectly, but in the recording that our photographs are coming, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
That blocking some content. I mean, I don't have any problem with my photograph or video, but since content is getting blocked, so that
See, I tried that also in last couple of days back. Okay, I will try one more time. The problem is it's an interactive session, right? If I will switch off your all cameras, the problem will be gone. Okay, but I want to switch on the camera. The intention is like at least you will interact with others, right? And I will fix it. No worries. I will try to do it and we will see in that tomorrow. Not today's recording will be same. Tomorrow recording, I will try to fix that part. Okay.
one suggestion, like, is there a provision for you to use a secondary screen?
I'm using the secondary screen. Yes.
So, will you be able to put this Zoom panel in the secondary screen and record?
That is already in the secondary screen because you are able to see me in the front. Okay. Absolutely agree. This is into the secondary screen only. This is into the primary screen. Okay. Secondary screen is only shareable. I will fix out. No worries. Maybe if not possible by tomorrow, in the next in 1 or 2 class, it will get fixed. 100% sure. Okay. That is in my top list now. Done. What else? Guys, this is good. Okay, this is good. Yes. Some people haven't understood. Viswa is shocked what he's trying to say, right? Viswa?
No, we did.
Okay. Okay, cool.
I have not seen any recording still now. I have
Correct.
not faced that.
Correct. Okay, cool. Fine. I agree. I will try to solve that problem. Okay. What else? Guys, I want, yes, because this will improve the things. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, hi guys, this is Rahul.
Yeah, Rahul,
So
go ahead.
earlier, someone asked for why are we using C instead of Python? I'm not sure whether
Let's
you
discuss.
will
Let's discuss. Yes, let's discuss that point. See, when I'm talking about, chalo, let's go into this place. When I'm coming to the Unix only, okay, Unix has been developed into the 8080 lab and Unix is completely into the C, okay, 98%. And can you guess it when the Unix came into the picture?
Unix came around 1969 and
Correct.
Python was released in 1991.
Correct. 30 years gap. Correct? Guys, getting my point?
Yes.
Around
Yes.
30 years back, this has been developed, and if it is working perfectly, so many in the C language, don't feel that Python is good. Python is really very good. Python move into the different directions. Okay, Python is primarily not for the operating system side. It is for the AI, machine learning, or we can say a web development side application. Okay, where the C is complex, which is primarily created for the from the operating system side. It makes sense? Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, Python has it different. See, when the Python has been developed, the intention was different. Means in the Python, what they want to say that ready-made things are there, which you have to utilize it. Here in the C, I have developed everything. It is ready to use it. In Python, what exactly they want to say that it is ready-made available. When you want to utilize, you can utilize it. So that's why Python has a ready-made libraries options are there. Okay, and the requirement is very different, I can say.
Vikas, can I add one point here?
Obviously, please. Yes.
Even I'm not sure whether it is correct or not.
Wait. Yes, we
even
are here into the discussions, right?
Yeah, we can, like, I heard that like C and C++ are mainly used for embedded systems. Suppose like any LG or any washing machines.
Absolutely.
So I heard like you heard of many companies like Bosch and some other embedded systems. They are using C, C++.
Correct. Absolutely.
Because the main purpose of using C and C++ is mainly into embedded systems.
Correct. And guys, chalo, very good point. Okay, I get an idea or I get a better answer from this, from the Baswa point, okay, which I'm teaching in my classes also. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so that you will be very clear. Okay, and this is the exact answer. Okay, when we will learn the Python now. Okay, compare between Python and C. I never did it, but let's do it right away. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here. Okay. From the Baswa answer, I get it. Python is a high-level programming language which human being can able to read very easily, but his execution speed is very low. Agree, guys? Are you agree with my point?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? If you feel that if we will create the operating system in the program execution speed slow, our Python, our operating system will be the worst operating system. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right, because his execution speed will be very slow when this type of thing, when Intel 86 first layer or the high level language came, is speeds are faster as compared to another as C and Python. If you will compare it, C speed is faster into the execution is faster as compared to Python. So people are developing or operating systems are getting developed into the C language, not in Python. This is correct answer, right?
Yes. Even if you used Python for this embedded, the washing machine will run very slowly.
Correct. Okay. So answer for this, which I have created now only. Okay. Python, if you will develop the operating system in Python, the execution speed will be very, very slow and it will be not good. Okay, that's why it's a high level language. Human being can read it very easily. We feel that Python is good. Okay, but when the execution speed come is compared to C, it is not good. But when the binary code will come into the picture with Python, binary code operating system will be 1,000 times better as compared to Python or C.
He has direct access to
Direct
hardware.
direct access to hardware. Correct. That is DOS. Right. We have to see that in which language the DOS has been created.
Yes.
This type of discussion, if we will do it, everyone's our level will go up. Agree?
Yes, sir, I want to add something.
Good.
So what you said is absolutely correct. So whenever we are building any kind of operating system or we are building any kind of programming language, for example, take Java, we have to use any kind of low level or assembly level languages only to build that language. Now, once that language is built, now it is up to us what we want to do with the programming construct, whether we want to make it a very high level programming language like Python, Java, or a language.
Correct.
And the second point, what you said is it was very nice that C++ being very fast. I want to highlight something. There are companies which are using HFTs, high frequency trading. I'll give an example, Alpha Grade. They are 4 crores to freshers. They are not taking Java, Python, no matter how big a champion you are. They will only take people from C++ background
Absolutely.
because of its fastness. And if you see competitive programming, CP, mostly those are done in C++.
Correct.
Preference is Java, Python, and all these things are
Cannot achieve this part, right? And simplest thing, Python, the requirement is different, right? If you want to create an operating system which can execute fast, create in that language. If you want to run on a upper layer, okay, upper layer means you just have to run it, okay, it should be look very simple, then you can develop into this, which AI is not has to go into the hardware and execute, right? AI is just a upper layer. Machine learning is just a upper layer, so you can develop the tools into that upper level or high level language. Concluded answer. Correct? Good.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks, Vaswa. Thanks, Shaq. And thanks everyone who has contributed. Guys, I want everyone to contribute in every answer so that our level will be up. Because this is not a point of discussion. Agree? But it came, so we discuss. And after 9:30, we will do this only. Fine?
Yes.
Yes, Vikas.
Yes, no?
Yes,
Yeah,
Vikas.
yeah.
Vikas.
Yes, Vikas.
Chala, cool. Thank you. And that's it for today. Okay. The recording will be available in next 20 minutes into the LMS system, or one day recording we will put into the YouTube for today. This recording we will put into the YouTube. After that, everything will come into the LMS system only. Fine?
Vikas, I have one
Right.
suggestion here.
Right.
If anyone like here we have 25 team members.
Correct.
So you have given was one assignment related with that 6 C's.
Correct.
So if something, if someone is like taking some any content from any if you are preparing, maybe you and I or some any
You can
other
share
team.
into the, I can say you can directly share into the WhatsApp group. You can
yes,
directly
sir.
share into the Facebook group. The group has been created for that only.
Yes, yes.
Okay?
That's what like I'm just
that
telling.
That I will say, because I will tell you when I will do the practicals now, I will tell you to do the practicals and submit it. So we have a system for that. You don't have to worry. We have a system. I want you to submit the practicals. Okay.
Yes, yes.
When the mock interviews will come, it will give you the lot of what we can say notification to you that you have a mock interview. You have a mock interview, so that you will not get forgot. Okay. So this type of system we have into the LMS system. Okay. And one more thing which I would like to show. Okay, about the LMS system. Okay. You guys have a quizzes also. Okay. You can play the quiz for particular topics. I will show you I have enabled or not. I will check it. Okay. Else I will enable the topic. Okay. Sorry, my bad. This is weekend. Yeah, guys, over the weekend, there is some handwritten notes are available. Okay. Please feel free to read it about the cloud computing. It will help you out. My PPTs will definitely help you out, but some people will be more comfortable with this, right? Yes or no? It will give our own friendliness, right? So there are some notes which I took from the internet or somewhere, okay? And I'm providing into this place so that you can read it. And as our cloud computing topic is complete, I want you to play the quiz also. The quiz will be very straightforward, very simple look to you, okay? If you will go here, cloud computing quiz, you can start the quiz, 15 minutes, 9 questions. Okay, these are the questions which has been asked by some companies only. Okay, so you can some Linux after completing the Linux, you can play the Linux quiz. In the starting, it's simple. After some 1 month, it will be tough. Okay, so start with the simple thing now, then only you will able to clear the tough things. Cool. And some more cheat commands which you don't have to read now. Okay, after 2-3 days, you can read it. Okay. Yes, no.
Yep. Yes,
Okay.
yes,
This was the weekend plan, means last weekend, which we have supposed to do. Okay, but you can do it from now onwards. That is also fine. Okay, and all the Linux PPTs and everything will come in the Linux module. I will explain you tomorrow. Okay, you don't have to worry. Okay. Yep. Cool.
Yeah, Vikas, one more.
Great.
Like this community, some WhatsApp call is there. We can use for suppose I want to connect with any team members personally. I want to discuss.
You can, but some people will misuse it. Okay. So people don't like it. See, some people, some girls or some people will complain to me, then it's not good. Correct? This person is messaging me. So I want you to talk directly into the WhatsApp group. Okay, not one-to-one.
One-to-one is not. I'm just asking. Suppose I have something to discuss with my teammates. Like instead of going and chatting with them, like I ask them to whether we can join for 10-15 minutes. So that
okay, that's okay. It's completely personal choice. Okay. But I think it is very early to do this activity. Okay. After 15 days, after 15 days, after 10 days, when you will get comfortable with each other. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because see, some people will complain me, then I have to stop all these things. Agree?
Yeah, yeah.
Because if someone will message that, sir, bus
No,
pass-"
no, 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 no. All people are professionals here.
Agree. Okay, agree. Okay, cool. That's it. Yeah, cool. No worries. Okay, guys, that's it for
Because
today. Go ahead.
one question on Facebook group I posted right now,
Yep.
but it is not visible. It
It's
is
okay.
showing.
It's okay.
Can
I
you
have to
can you
approve it.
check?
I will approve it. Okay. And in the Facebook group, guys, provide the complete information. Don't say that I need help. Okay. Put the complete information. No, I haven't get it.
Why it is not getting? I am not also.
Chalo, I will give the answer in 1 minute. Okay. Activity log. Okay.
Yeah, posted this one. Decline.
Okay. Correct. Decline. Is your Facebook account is genuine?
Yeah, only I have one account only.
No, I can prove that your Facebook account is not genuine account. Okay, because automatically we have enabled the features. Okay, if your account is not genuine, it will get rejected. Okay.
So what I need to do?
Use your genuine account. See, you don't have the photograph. You don't have this.
Okay.
This account is absolutely fake account. Correct?
Okay. I didn't added the photo.
No, see, you have to use your original account. Okay, for posting anything, don't use any other profile, please.
Security.
Security.
Yeah, it is my genuine account only, but
No,
I
yeah,
didn't
see, how
add
come it can be genuine account? See, you join on
the photo.
20, 3 months back you joined. You are 24 years old and you are joining 3 months back. Not possible.
Okay,
Acha,
something is
member of
missing.
this. Sorry.
Something is missing.
Chalo, wait. Okay, wait. Yeah, profile. Yeah, add profile picture and all these things. Okay.
Okay. That will be
Maybe
good.
you have a few friends. You have only 6 friends. That is also not looks good, right?
Okay,
It's not
I delete.
digestible. I believe it's not good.
No, I
correct?
deleted the
Okay.
on
No
the
problem.
on the online friends.
Just look like your account should be professional.
Okay, primary settings.
Primary settings.
Okay.
Otherwise my group will reject automatically.
Okay, got it.
Because see, we face this problem. Someone created a new account, he posting anything, right? And that's not good. Correct? That's why.
Okay.
A small intelligence is available here.
Okay.
Yep. So as soon as you will, and what you posted, let me approve it manually. Okay.
No, I just for today's class.
Cool. Yep. Okay, cool. I will allow it. Yep. I will manually approve it. Okay. So that for that manually we have to approve this part. Okay. Otherwise this intelligence will block it automatically.
Okay, got it.
Cool. Guys, use your genuine account so that it will be good. These features are, I think, not in the LinkedIn at this point. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Thanks for this. And thanks for the day, guys. Okay. Please prepare. This is the right time. You have to start the learning from today. Okay. Make a challenge that within 3 months, 6 months of duration, you want to upgrade yourself. You want to be into the different side. You want to be into the different package. And if you will start from today, you will be able to achieve in the next 3 months. And thank you for that.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Vikas, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye. Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yep.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.